This list of common printing terms aims to explain their meaning so that the general public can better understand their printing quotes. I compiled this list based on the questions I receive from customers in my role as a commercial printer. This refers to the 3 on each edge of extra background that is printed and then trimmed off to ensure the color runs to the edge. This is only relevant if there is a solid background color or photo in the background of your business cards, brochures, etc. Files that are supplied without bleed and trim marks can only be printed with a white border. Digital proof. This is a digital viewing proof that is sent to the client via mail. Generally, these proofs are lower resolution than a print-ready file for ease of mailing. By giving proof approval, the client is taking responsibility that they have carefully checked all spelling, pH numbers, etc., and the artwork is ready to proceed with printing of their posters, banners, letterheads, etc. CMYK full color. This refers to the CMYK color spectrum, which is used in four-color process. Effectively, any color can be created using varied percentages of cyan, magenta, yellow, ampersand, black. This allows for the printing of color photos, use of as many different colors as desired, and lower costs. Due to aggregated printing. Spot color. This refers to PMS colors, which are traditionally used in 1, 2, 3 color offset presses. Only the specific color to be printed is put into the press, so there is no color mixing. This process is great for exact color matching and allows for metallic colors such as silver and gold. Cello glaze. This is a thin laminate film that can be applied to one side or both sides of a print job, such as business cards, postcards, etc. The cello glaze seals the inks to prevent rub-off and also protects the item from wear and tear. This finish is often used on business cards presentation, folders, postcards, smash cards, drop cards, etc. Spot UV. This is a high-gloss laminate, which is often used to accentuate a certain feature of a business card/brochure or create a subtle image against a dark background. This laminate is most effective when used over the top of a matte cello glaze to create a stronger contrast effect. Varnish. This is a liquid coating that is applied over the ink, often in the same pass through the press as the printing. The purpose of this coating is to seal the ink, protecting the printed image from rub-off where the image from the page below rubs off on the page of the page above it. Group run and aggregated run of different jobs with the same color specifications on a common stock. Group runs are a common tactic by trade printers to help drive down the cost of full-color business cards, brochures, letterheads, etc. Some of the larger trade printers attract the volume of work needed to aggregate letterheads, brochures, DL cards, flyers, postcards, notepads, etc. This has made full-color printing much more cost-effective and commonplace over the last 5 to 10 years. Bond. This is an uncoated paper which has the capability to be overprinted, though a laser printer. This overprinting technique is used by many of our customers who use their letterheads for correspondence, invoicing, company documents, etc. Bond is characteristically quite a porous stock, which absorbs a lot of ink. Cast-coated board. This is a composite board with a gloss plastic coating on one side and the other side is a porous white board. This stock is available up to a maximum weight of 300 GSM. It can be useful for creating a gloss cover for the outside of magazines, annual reports in small quantities. That would be extremely expensive to cello glaze. Art paper, a coated paper that is available in matte or gloss. This stock is most commonly used for brochures, flyers, etc. Most printers will choose a standard brochure stock, such as 150 GSM gloss art paper, which they indent with their paper supplier to reduce costs. This means that they are committing to purchase a certain volume of that specific stock per month or year. Art board, a coated board that is available in matte or gloss, similar to art paper, but heavier, higher GSM. This style of stock is most commonly used for drop cards, postcards, business cards, Christmas cards, presentation folders, etc.